Hawks.
I'm the president of ASA.
And I'm the president of UNICEF.
And we would like to present to you our latest fundraiser.
Money Wars!
What exactly is Money Wars?
Well, it's sort of what it sounds like, a war of money. In this case, a battle between grade levels.
Each grade level will receive a designated jar for their money to keep track of their scores. Students can place dollars in their own jars, and the amount can be used to increase their scores.
However, because this is a war, there will be opportunities for sabotage!
By putting coins into an opposing grade's jar, you can decrease their overall score. The grade with the highest score before March 1st will be able to apply the admins and teachers.
But wait, what exactly are we raising money for?
To answer your question, we are fundraising for the Turkey-Syria crisis.
Turkish rescue teams have located more survivors of earthquakes that struck almost 2 weeks ago. A total of more than 46,000 people are now known to have been killed in Turkey and Syria.
In the nearly 3 weeks since deadly quakes hit southern Turkey and northern Syria, the focus has shifted from rescue to rehabilitation. The task ahead is not only to reconstruct homes, but also to rebuild lives.
We need you to help rebuild homes and families, to rebuild education and childhood, to rebuild a community. We need you to contribute whatever you can manage, because every penny makes a difference. Because every penny contributes to rebuilding what tens of thousands of people lost in a matter of minutes. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can rebuild lives.
So what are you waiting for, Hawks?
Look for the assigned jugs in the cafeteria during lunch or in the 4th floor hall. The war starts now.
Now!
Now.
Now.
Now.